What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. The last time I made a video I mentioned that I was going to do a full body wrap on my car, and I finally did. I took maybe 5 days to complete what I wanted to do to the car, but I've been slacking on making the video. This is not gonna be a how-to video. This is gonna be more of what I did, the challenges I came across, and how I executed this job. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it. Also, remember to follow me on Instagram. I've been revealing the car on Instagram like every other day, but I haven't revealed it on YouTube. This color in particular, it caught my eye, and I wanted to be different. I wanted to do something different, so that's why I went with this color, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the color that we went with. It is a light gloss pistachio color, that's what it's called. I got it from metrorestyling.com. This is Avery Dennison material, but I wanted to show you guys the tools. Excuse the mess here, but the tools for this job. We definitely needed knifeless tape. I went ahead and got like a few yards. I think this is a 25 if I'm correct, but anyways, knifeless tape was a must. Some tape just to kind of cover the edges that you didn't want to scratch off. These came in handy because this was a one-man job. So these right here, these are magnets that attach to the car. These came in clutch when I was wrapping the car. Squeegees, I got a couple squeegees with the suede felt squeegee. Suede felt right here. These tools right here came in clutch as well, to tuck in all the little edges. That was a must. Let's see what else. These right here came in clutch to tuck in all the little edges. These are scratchless plastic. What else did I use that I thought was super handy? Oh, of course, your razor blade. I threw mine away because I finally just broke it. But you need a nice little razor blade that that can cut edges really nice. A heat gun. You need the heat gun to make sure that you can stretch out any of the vinyl that you need to stretch out and make it work to whatever edges or surroundings that you're doing on your car. So without further ado, let's check out this car.
Bring it back now. Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face the lead. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you're dead, What? Bring it back now.
So here it is, guys. The light pistachio gloss full body wrap. I did take off the headlights. I took off the tail lights in order to make sure that I tucked in the vinyl really nicely in there. So all the edges, if you can tell, they're tucked in really nice. You can't see anything on those edges. Everything's tucked in really nice. The doors. Everything is tucked in nicely. I used the knifeless tape right here. I put a whole strip throughout the whole side skirt, and we did like a nice little cut with the knifeless tape. Let's see if we can open this. So I didn't go all the way in, but this is what we cut out here with the knifeless tape again. The detail on this car, so when I wrapped it, like I said, I took off the bumper and I went all through the inside. It's tucked in all in here, all the way back there. The side skirts are tucked in all the way in the bottom. You can tell over here too, all the inside was tucked in, all that. So there's no real room for any of the other color in here, as well as all tucked in nicely. There's no sign of any black or anything. Yeah, guys, this is my pride and joy. I take pride in this work because, like I said, it was hard work. It was 5 days. Shout out Subia's Bros. He gave me the red pinstripe. We're gonna keep that little red accent. Just the fact that I didn't have a shop to wrap the car was the biggest struggle, I think. And hopefully one day I do get to have a shop of my own, and I'm able to work on my cars in a nice closed environment. I had to wake up super early in order to beat the sun. It would get extremely hot and uncomfortable to work on the car. The material will get very flimsy and it will stick to everything. Already as it is, working outside it's probably not the best idea, but I didn't have a choice. Given all that and all those challenges, I am super proud of how this car came out. I think it's show ready. Like I said, I take pride in the work I did because I actually took my time and did it right. I watched so many YouTube videos. I can't stress that enough. Whatever work you want to do to your car, watch YouTube videos, as many as you can, with detailed steps how to do things. So that's another reason why I make videos, and just to kind of show the work and maybe give out pointers. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you list them down there. And I think that's it, man. I'm gonna give you guys a full walk around of the car, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys on the next one.